I started looking at those programs, and one thing I noticed is that they had a tremendous maintenance bill every year and a replacement bill because the kids, I called it the backpack problem. The students would put the Chromebooks in their backpacks, throw them around, they get broken, the keys would get lost because they're going back and forth from school. So we decided that we wanted to try something different, where we had Chromebooks in every single classroom, just like we used to have textbooks in every single classroom. Every classroom in our district has them. We have anywhere from 36 to 40 Chromebooks in the towers, and they've worked. And so far, we've had zero breakage. And our maintenance fees for the Chromebooks, it's not at zero. We just still have breakage and we still have missing Chromebooks, but it's a lot lower than most other districts. To use tradition, we used to have textbook in every classroom. Same thing. You use a textbook in that classroom, you put it back on the shelf, and you walk out. So you do the same thing with the Chromebooks. So do not take them between classes. Um, and again, the main reason for that is just the maintenance cost. And plus, you have a set in every classroom. I mean, it's pretty phenomenal what we've been able to accomplish by doing that.